Hey everyone, just a quick video to show you a cool extension I found. It is called Popsicle Sticks and it's a random student picker. Sometimes we just need those randomly selected lists, and this is kind of a down and dirty, quick and easy extension to do that. I've already added it to my Chrome, as you can see, because it says remove to Chrome here. If you were to go to this link, is in the notes below, so you can go right to the link and add it to your Chrome. So you would add it, and how does it work? Well, on any website you go to, you can simply trigger the extension, and in the extension, it comes up here. There's a little bit of a gear. You can have light or dark mode. I opted for the dark mode, love dark mode. And you can add a class. So I'm gonna say is my sample popsicle class. And you can add students one by one, so you could add them on the fly if you had somebody new come in, or you can add multiple students. I have a list of names here that I just randomly created, one on each line, because that's what my format is. I'm going to go ahead and copy those and add them all to the list. Now when I need to have a random name picked, I can simply go to the extension and grab a random name, and you can be on any website to make that happen. You can add multiple classes, because we could add another class here, so you could use this for a number of classes throughout your day. Remember that you can always add in additional students if you need to. So if you have someone that's coming in as a guest or someone who just moved in, really easy to add them to your list. So I hope you give Popsicle Sticks, which is a random student picker, a try on your Chrome browser.